Fish from 3C class. Now I am going to say the story, A Little Fish Story. There are a great many million fish in the sea, but this story about just one of them, and a very small one at that. Now this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented, but he was not happy. You will laugh when I tell you why he was not. He was not happy because he was so very small. It's very hard to be such a little mite of a fish, and he said over and over again, if I were only larger, how much happier I could be. And he said it so many times that I think he believed it. One day he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking no doubt how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. When suddenly, with no warning, they found themselves with the messes of a great net. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as its hull was being emptied into the boat. The smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mess and slipped back into the cool, clear water. How good it felt! He swam here and there and everywhere. Some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish. Written by Enoch B. Comstock. The moral of the story is, be happy with whatever given by the God. Don't compare your life with others. Be yourself. We all have obstacles. The feeling of satisfaction comes by overcoming something. A satisfied life is better than a successful life because our success is measured by others. But our satisfaction is measured by our own soul, mind and heart. Let us see the question and answer.
How many fish are there in the sea?
There are millions of fishes in the sea.
Why was the little fish unhappy?
The little fish was unhappy because he was very small.
What happened to the fish one day?
The fish was caught in the mess of a net.
Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish?
The fish was thankful to be a little fish. This was only because of his small size. He was able to escape from the net.
Where do fish live?
The fish live in the sea.
What did the little fish want to be?
The little fish wanted to be a large fish.
What does a little mite of fish stand for?
A little mite of fish stands for a very small fish.
What did the little fish say over and over again?
If I were only larger, how much happier I could be. Let us see the opposite.
Great,
Small,
little,
big,
happy,
sad,
laugh,
cry,
hard,
soft or easy,
larger,
smaller,
believed,
unbelieved,
emptied,
overloaded,
suddenly,
gradually,
slipped,
rose,
wriggled,
relax,
won,
cheer,
contented,
discontented,
never,
ever,
good,
bad,
floundering,
succeeding,
thankful,
ungrateful. Let us see the degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison is used to compare one thing to another. There are three types: the positive degree, comparative degree and the superlative degree. Positive degree is used to describe one item or person. The comparative degree is used to describe two items or person. The superlative degree is used to describe more than two items or person. Great, greater, greatest, much, more, most, many, more, most, small, smaller, smallest, little, less, least, happy, happier, happiest, hard, harder, hardest, good, better, best, large, larger, largest, clear, clearer, clearest, cool, cooler, coolest, thankful, more thankful, most thankful. Let us see the present tense, past tense, present participle and past participle.
empty,
Emptied, emptying, emptied.
wriggle,
Wriggled, wriggling, wriggled.
wish,
Whisk, whizzing, whisked.
know,
Knew, knowing, known.
say,
Said, saying, said.
hear,
Heard, hearing, heard.
draw,
Drew, drawing, drawing, drawn.
feel,
Fell, feeling, fell.
haul,
Hauled, hauling, hauled. Let's see the phonics activity. Words starting with FLO. FLOPPY, floppy. FLOGGING, flogging. FLOWCHART, flowchart. FLOODPLAIN, floodplain. FLOODLIGHT, floodlight. FLOWERBEDS, flower beds. FLOPPINESS, floppiness. FLORESCENCE, fluorescence. FLORICULTURE, floriculture. Let's see the words ending with ISH. Accomplice, extinguish, Cavendish, angelfish, establish, jellyfish, republish, astonish, selfish. Going to sing a fish song. One fish, two fish, big fish, small fish. Some are red, some are blue, some are old, some are new, some are sad and some are glad and some are very, very bad. Why they are sad and glad and bad, I don't know. Go and ask your dad. Let's say the collective nouns. Collective nouns represent more than one person or thing in the class. A glass of water, a box of matches, a sheet of paper, a bunch of flower, a herd of cows, a pack of wolves. Thank you.